Here we are at 311 2nd Street in Sausalito. So we're going up to the main entrance of the house. And we enter here, the front door. We go into the bottom level. So to the left here is one room. Here is the backyard outside. The nice lemon tree, some lawn chairs. There is one full bathroom downstairs. There are 3 bedrooms downstairs. So here's the middle bedroom. Here is the master suite with a gorgeous view of the bay. Here's the bedroom. There's a large closet here, extra storage space here. And then you'll see the bathroom is over here with a soaking tub. Then we'll go upstairs. Here you have the living room with an amazing view all the way to the city. So there is a fireplace over here, shelving there. Here's the dining area. And then we'll go back over to the kitchen. So there's a gas stove. There is a sink with a nice deep sink, pantry space, microwave and an oven, refrigerator. There's a small office space over there. And there's another full bathroom upstairs over here with a stand-up shower. And then we'll go out onto the deck for this panoramic view, sweeping skyline. And the deck ends over there. And that's the house. Thanks for touring.